Hey, what's up, everyone? So, the holidays are here, shopping season is in full swing, and in this video, we're going to take a look at 6 of the dopest pieces of tech that I could find, and if they're the right fit for you or that special someone. So, let's dive in. So, first off is something I personally use, and that is the Osmo Mobile 5 gimbal from DJI. This device is built for mobile content creators like myself. You'd find it ideal for anyone that uses their phone for taking photos or videos. With this, you can get some amazing professional looking shots. Here's one called a crane shot, and this gimbal comes with its own built-in extension where you can use it for shots like the one that I just did, or for taking selfies. There's a magnetic back that's strong enough to hold even the largest of smartphones, and controls are super easy to use. The DJI OM5 is available now for $159, and there will be a link to this as well as all the other tech featured in this video in the description below. Next up is another product I used, and if you've been following this channel, this might look a little bit familiar. This is the HomePod Mini from Apple. Specifically, this is the yellow HomePod Mini released earlier this month. They come in 5 different colors: white, black, blue, orange, and yellow, each giving a full 360 degrees of premium sound. Made for the music lover in mind, all you have to do is touch the controls on top, use Siri, and it also has compatibility with all of your Apple devices, and support for Android devices too with an additional app. The HomePod Mini is the best sounding smart speaker for its size and is perfect for a home office or room, or used with a home theater and you pair two of these up to make a stereo sound experience. The HomePod Mini is available now in stores and online for $99. Alright, product number 3 is something I'm going to get my hands on hopefully soon, and this is the Between Pro earbuds from a company called Status. Now, what's special about these earbuds is they have a unique triple driver design which provides you with an optimum sound experience. Unlike other earbuds that come with a single driver which they use to give you your sound, the Between Pros have 3 built-in that widen the range of that sound so you hear everything from your music, games, movies, all as they were created to. They are top of the line in terms of comfort and battery life, lasting up to 36 hours, water resistant, and also have 4 microphones that all actively listen to your surroundings to give you the best in noise cancellation. These earbuds are competitively priced at $149, and you can purchase the Status Pros by their website in the description below. So next up, we got a device that's both cool and unique in its own way, and this is called the Tidbit. I'm a big fan of its size and color display, and not because it's high def, but because this is the exact opposite. The Tidbit is a pixel display that you can customize to show all kinds of things such as current weather conditions, calorie events, stocks, and with API support you can even create your own screens. Each Tidbit is both home and handmade, but that's not to slack on the quality or the demand, as thousands have been sold since its Kickstarter went public. Having one of these, to me, adds charm and nostalgia in a place where modern tech seems to dominate. And the Tidbit is something I know kids will love, and if you're interested, they are on sale now for $179 via the website in the link below. Alright, so the next 2 gift ideas are more for those that like really nice things, and by nice things, I mean expensive things. But trust me guys, these are worth it. So first up is something to bring some light to your holiday season, and if you're a fan of 4K light, you're gonna love this. This is the Premiere 4K projector from Samsung. Remember earlier I talked about how the Between Pro earbuds bring sound the way it's designed to be heard? Well, this brings movies to life in a way like no other, basically the way that they were meant to be seen. Spanning 130 inches wide, the picture quality is incredible, and you're not only going to get this, but the projector also comes equipped with its own mini soundbar for theater quality sound. Samsung claims this projector enables ultra short throw distances, which means it can be placed just in short distance of the wall and still provide a high quality picture, making this perfect for watching movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows. And if you want to give your home a more modern entertainment experience, you can purchase the Samsung Premiere 4K projector now on their website below, starting at $34.99. Alright, so we're down to the last gift idea, and this is something that's really special. A lot of people tend to start the new year off with focusing on their health, and I feel what better way to kickstart that than with an e-bike. And for those that don't know what an e-bike is, it's essentially a bike that has a rechargeable motor built in. You can still pedal it like a traditional bike, whereas with an e-bike you can turn that motor on or off to give you a performance boost with how the bike works. Now Mercedes-Benz has introduced their own line of high-performance e-bikes, and my favorite is the EQ Formula E Team City Racer. And I say this because of its blue and black gloss finish, which is just my personal preference out of the three. Some features of their e-bikes include all aluminum bodies, stainless steel wheel frames, puncture-resistant tires, and speeds up to 20 miles per hour. The range of the battery differs depending on which model you choose, but I've checked the reviews, and a large majority of those owning one of these say the battery life is sufficient to enjoy riding with for a few days. Mercedes-Benz also claims you can fully charge one of these bikes in under 4 hours, and if you're interested in learning more, there will be a link in the description. The entire line of Mercedes-Benz e-bikes are on sale now, starting at $19.90 with payments as low as $83 per month. And there we have it. 6 dope pieces of tech that are guaranteed to wow who or whomever you present them to. Once again, you can find the links to each of these products in the description, and while you're there, be sure to click that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Drop a comment below on which was your favorite, and as always, thanks for watching. Happy holidays, everybody. Stay safe. Peace.